Are you looking for the best projector under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best projector under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HAPPRUN 4K Projector. Without additional equipment, the smart projector can directly access Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Hulu, and other applications. It greatly reduces the complexity of operation and makes watching movies more convenient. Simply press and hold the voice control button and issue a simple voice command to quickly open Netflix, search for a movie, adjust the volume, or check the weather without fiddling with the mini projector remote buttons. The HAPPRUN 4K projector supports 4K resolution, delivering clear and detailed images. With a brightness of 400 ANSI lumens, it guarantees bright and vivid visuals even in well-lit environments, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The outdoor projector features a built-in 5W high-fidelity speaker and supports Dolby sound effects, delivering clear and balanced audio. Whether it's deep bass or high-frequency details, the sound quality is immersive and realistic. Designed to fit your backpack and your lifestyle. From cozy bedroom corners in compact apartments to starlit backyards and remote campsites, this portable powerhouse instantly transforms any surface into your personal cinema. Number 2. VOPLLS Projector. Enjoy instant access to vast streaming content with zero setup, the ideal partner for portable projection. The VOPLLS G3 smart system, powered by Google's latest chip and rigorously certified, ensures smooth performance and lifelong updates for a cutting-edge home theater. Move beyond basic, compatible with Netflix projectors. Our device is fully compatible with top platforms including Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and Hulu, with no extra devices required. The built-in Google Play Store provides 10,000+ apps and 800+ free live channels, instantly turning any space into your premium outdoor cinema. AI-powered personalization and family safety powered by Google TV AI, the home screen smartly organizes movies, shows, and live content based on your viewing habits, pushing tailored recommendations to your 4K projector. Easily create personalized profiles with separate watch history and recommendations, perfect for bedroom projectors and camping use during family trips. Essential for kids' rooms, KidSafe mode enables content rating filters, viewing time limits, and bedtime lock screen activation. Simply press the mic button on your home theater projector remote and speak naturally. Command like a pro, play Stranger Things on Netflix, lower volume, or what's the weather? The built-in Google Assistant understands perfectly. Go beyond play/pause, search movies across apps, launch Netflix, control smart features, all hands-free. Perfect for bedroom viewing, outdoor movie nights, and camping trips. Number 3. AuKing Projector. Experience effortless entertainment with the AuKing Smart Projector, which features a curated selection of streaming apps. With just a simple tap, you can transform any space, from a quiet night at home to an evening under the stars, into a captivating movie experience by diving into the vast libraries of Prime Video, YouTube, and more, making it the perfect outdoor projector. Designed for reliable stability and vivid visuals, Outdoor Projector delivers a truly immersive, big-screen experience wherever you are. Featuring the highest brightness specification in the consumer home theater projector market, this advanced 4K projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth delivers a dominant 2500 ANSI lumens, ensuring vivid, razor-sharp images even in well-lit environments. With support for 4K input, HDR10 enhancement, and 99.8% wide color gamut coverage, Projector 4K reproduces cinema-grade picture quality with exceptional color accuracy. Elevate every movie night under the stars or backyard gathering with uncompromising brightness and true-to-life detail that sets a new industry standard for what a movie projector can achieve. Leveraging advanced TOF laser technology, this smart projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth achieves razor-sharp focus in just 0.3 seconds. Autofocus projector also features fully automatic keystone correction, guaranteeing a perfectly rectangular image from any angle without manual intervention. As the perfect projector for bedroom setups and beyond, your ideal, hassle-free movie night starts the moment you press power. Number 4. HAPPRUN Projector. HAPPRUN Projector comes with autofocus and 6D auto keystone technology. Enjoy a clear rectangular picture within 5s of startup. The Projector 4K also adds AI auto obstacle avoidance and auto screen alignment. Whether you place it on the table, bedside, wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted, the projector quickly adjusts for optimal viewing. Say goodbye to troublesome manual adjustments. This 4K decoding projector offers up to 2000 ANSI lumens brightness and supports 4K decoding video, ensuring bright and clear images whether it's day or night. Portable projector with a 20,000:1 contrast ratio and 95% color gamut present richer light and dark levels and color details, making every frame vivid and lively. Enjoy a cinema-quality experience at home, and it's also the perfect choice for outdoor movie nights. The Bluetooth projector features a built-in 8W Hi-Fi high-quality audio system, so you can get richer sound details without investing in additional equipment. Additionally, with bidirectional Bluetooth 5.2, you can not only connect external speakers to enjoy different sound quality, but also use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker to play music from your phone. Double the value in one projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The Wi-Fi 6 feature enables wireless screen mirroring between the Projector 4K and both iOS and Android devices. Wi-Fi 6 is compatible with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, with the maximum rate up to 9.6 Gbps, which is nearly 40% faster than Wi-Fi 5. It ensures more stable and smoother video and image transmission between your device and the movie projector. Enjoy uninterrupted wireless projection. Number 5. iSinbox Projector. This smart outdoor projector is powered by the upgraded Smart Pro OS, delivering a seamless experience free from lag. The integrated 360 degrees rotatable stand makes the ceiling projector or portable projector incredibly versatile. Switch from wall to ceiling projection in seconds. Perfect as a projector for bedroom setups or on-the-go entertainment, it outshines basic projectors with its millisecond response and ad-free interface. Experience stunning detail with this 4K projector featuring 2000 ANSI lumens, native 1080p, and 4K HDR10 plus support. A true projector 4K Ultra HD rivaling premium brands. As a complete smart projector, it gives you instant access to YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus without extra devices. This projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth saves you over $300 yearly on subscriptions and dongles, offering a superior alternative to standard Roku projector or Epson projector setups. Immerse yourself in theater-quality sound with Dolby-certified speakers and DTS decoding. Thanks to two-way Bluetooth 5.3, this Bluetooth projector can pair with external speakers or act as a standalone speaker. With Wi-Fi 6, up to 9.6 gigabits per second connection speeds, it ensures smooth streaming and casting, making it a versatile TV projector or phone projector companion ideal for your home theater projector system.